Lead generation is a process that builds visibility, credibility, trust, and most important, interest from a specific group of prospects. These are going to be your potential leads for many businesses. Leads are the business's lifeline, and for many, it's the sole means by which they generate revenue. So specifically, the lead generation process must occur in order to get a prospect's interest, and then turn that interest into dollars. Many times the lead generation steps depend on the complexity of the sales leads being considered. Generating B2B leads, or business-to-business leads, is primarily a communication process, and it involves a proactive outreach and diligent follow-up to a well-defined prospect. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is target effectively. An effective approach for B2B lead generation is to target prospects as precisely as possible through high-quality research sources. For example, we can purchase prospect lists from data brokers, such as DataAxle or ZoomInfo, to name a few. We can also tap into sales databases, such as LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Seamless.ai. And you can also use tools such as Google Keyword Planner, which will help you define high-intent keywords and markets to approach. Start by creating a well-defined avatar, otherwise known as a customer profile. This is an important step because it will allow us to identify attributes such as job title, area of focus, age, gender, even items such as the company revenue, number of employees, as well as other demographic indicators such as education level and stages in the life cycle. Are they new at a job? Did they just get hired at a new job? Did they just start a business? Next, you'll craft your offer and your message, and what this does is it defines the value proposition of your business. Outline the actual takeaway benefit that your prospect receives from giving you their time by answering questions like, why should they consider your business? And how is your business going to benefit them? The answers to these questions should focus on the outcome that your customer will experience as a result of using your product or service. A quick exercise in this step is to create a list of external and internal objections. Make a list of objections that your potential customer might use when refusing to purchase or refusing to do business with you because of an internal objection. Most of the time, they're saying, I can't, because of a limitation they have set upon themselves. Then, list out external objections, where in this case, they feel they can't, because of something they are not in control of. And as a business owner or sales manager, you should know the rebuttal and answers to those objections. Next, you'll be building a lead capture page. This is a communication vehicle to deliver your business's message and offer to your customer online. Effective B2B lead capture funnels differ from industry to industry, but all have applied the same core principle of exchanging time for something of high perceived value. Specifically for B2B sales leads, a very effective strategy includes a multi-step lead magnet funnel, focusing on capturing a lead first by giving away a high-value resource. Next, we start to drive traffic to our sales funnel from high-quality sources. We send our carefully crafted offer and message to the prospects from step 1 through multiple channels. For example, if a business is buying a prospect list from a quality broker, then performing outreach by phone calls or by sending cold emails is an option, or sending traffic through high-intent sources, such as Google advertising, using Google search and YouTube ads. In particular, Google search ads and YouTube ads have very high intent and are easy to scale because both properties are owned by Google, and this allows us effective cookie-less remarketing, which brings our cost per lead down. And now that we've got leads, next, we have to implement a follow-up system. This is known as B2B Lead Nurturing, and this is where we will qualify the prospects. Our leads follow-up is determined by the average purchasing cycle, or the average length of time a prospect takes to go through an entire customer journey. It's important that managers know how to grade the leads throughout this process. For example, if a business captured a lead using a lead magnet, such as a PDF, or a webinar registration, You can consider the lead to be warm. This is a B2B lead nurturing tactic, and understanding your sales process is key. Some businesses require a set appointment to consider a prospect qualified. It's important that you be strategic with your follow-up and consistently promote the next step of a sales process. For example, a follow-up email sequence that points readers back to your appointment page can easily be done by properly configuring your marketing automation. This will give you peace of mind and ensures that the business will maintain a steady flow of predictable lead generation. For example, capturing a lead that includes a name, email, and phone number, and then sending a follow-up sequence can include steps such as a phone call, multiple email sequences, video advertising, image advertising, and search engine advertising. This allows you to stay top of mind with your lead as they go through a sales process. In conclusion, investing in a business-to-business lead generation is one of the most rewarding things a business can do to ensure that they have a predictable flow of leads coming into their business.